Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelechi Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you all a step-by-step guide on how you can be able to buy USDT on your WitEX.io. I'm going to show you how to do that via the peer-to-peer trade, and I'm going to also show you how you can make deposits and withdrawal directly with your account, and how you can be able to fund your account too. And I'm going to also show you how to trade the spot market on this WitEX.io. And lastly too, I'm going to also show you how you can be able to claim the $5 grab up for grab that I mentioned earlier on my first video, or on the part 1 of this particular video. So this video is the part 2 on how you can be able to trade on the WitEX platform. Please, if you've not watched the part 1 of this video, I will leave the link in the description of this video. Please do well to check out on that first part of the video, so that you can be able to understand how different aspects of this platform works, and how you can be able to get started with it. Do well to check it out, and then you come back and continue with this part 2 and get started with it. Please, all I need from you right now is to support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and turning on the notification icon, so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I drop informative and educative content like this. Do well to give this video a thumbs up by liking it, so that more individuals can get to see this video and all of that. So without wasting much time, let's get started with what you need to do first. So after, you must have signed up with your account, and the first thing you need to do is to come to this place. Once you want to trade, the first thing you need to do is to click on these 3 icon here. When you click on this 3 dot icon, all you just need to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, you go to the buy crypto, and once you see buy crypto, all you just need to do is to click on it. But before you click on buy crypto, I will always advise that you should go to this your account aspect, where you will see the verification aspect. Ensure that you have verified your account. If possible, verify your account to the level 2, so that you can be able to have more access to the peer-to-peer. Where to put all the verification required, your passport and everything. So once you have been able to verify, the very next thing you need to do is to come to this buy crypto. Once you click on the buy crypto, it will take you to the very next page, where you will see the peer-to-peer, where you can be able to buy using the peer-to-peer. So all you just need to do is to select the amount you want to buy and all of that. So as you can see on my screen right now, this is the peer-to-peer, and I want to buy crypto. So all I want to do is to buy a crypto of 20,000 naira. So I will click on what I want to buy, but instead of me looking for who has 20,000 naira on here, all I have to do is to filter. I'll come to this filter aspect, as you can see up here. Once you click on the filter aspect, you have the option to put in the amount you want to buy. Let me say that I want to buy the 20,000 naira, for instance, and I click 20,000 naira, and I select on bank transfer, and I click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, it will filter it and bring out individuals who have that particular amount that I want to buy. As you can see here that some individuals here have different rating price. Like this first one here, this person is selling at the rate of 570 naira 94 kobo, while the second person is selling for 571 naira. So I will just select one of the individual, and I will select on the first one, so that I can be able to buy from him. So I will click on it. You can decide to select anyone you choose of your choice. You can decide to select and all of that. So once I have selected him, all I have to do is to put in the amount that I want to buy. And as you can see here, he's selling from 417 naira to 349,000 naira. That's what he has right now. So I will put the 20,000 naira, and as I put 20,000 naira, I'll be getting 35 USDT. So once I have put in the amount, the very next thing I have to do is to click on this buy USDT. Once I click on the buy USDT, it will load up, and as you can see, the countdown, it says continue within 40 seconds. So I'll click on the continue. Once I click on the continue, it will now take me to the page where it will bring out all his information or detail where I can be able to transfer fund to him. If you can use the Binance, you can also use this. For those of you who don't know how to do transfer, as you can see here, he is requesting for me to do a transfer, and as you can see at the top right here, at the top here, there is a countdown and it's already counting. So all I have to do is to come here right now and then pick up his bank name. This is his bank name, this is his bank account, and that is his account name, the account number, and the bank name. This is the account name is OP is his account bank name. So all I have to do is to go and minimize and do the transaction, and then wait patiently for him to transfer the funds. So I'll pause this video right now and then minimize and do the transfer to him, and then I transfer the funds. So guys, I have done the transfer. All I have to do right now is to come down here and then click on this I have made payment, and I click on next. So I'll click on I have made payment, and as you can see, they are asking me that I should verify I've done that. So I said paid. I'll click on paid. Once I click on paid, I will now wait patiently. As you can see here, they said reminder to be confirmed and all of that. So I'm waiting patiently. So as you can see, it's saying that a reminder has been sent to the seller that I have been able to transfer the fund. So in the next 15 minutes, before 15 minutes, it will reach my wallet. So I'm waiting patiently. So guys, as you can see right now, the seller has been able to complete the transaction. It said completed the transaction, asset transferred. So I have to check my wallet to confirm. So guys, I've been able to see he has been able to transfer it, and as you can see down here, the seller has been able to transfer the fund, and I have 35 USDT already on my wallet. So I can move it from my funding wallet to my trading wallet. So I'll do that right now. So I'll transfer it. So guys, after I have received and transferred my funds from my funding wallet to my trading wallet, remember, you sending it to your trading wallet, that means you want to use it to trade either spot, futures, margin, or perpetual. That's why you are transferring it. Then once I've done that, I can be able to go and select whatever trade I want to. Assuming I want to do the spot or perpetual or future or margin, I can now see the money on my wallet. So let me see, I want to go to the spot wallet and get my fund and buy a particular coin. Let me see. Okay, as you can see right here, I have my lead coin is already here at the top here. So as I explained, you come here, you select the particular coin you want to buy. Let me say that I don't want to buy Litecoin, that I want to buy, let me say Ethereum. Let me say that I want to buy Ethereum, ETH, USDT. I can click on it. Once I click on ETH USDT and I click on it, it will notify. As you can see, it has been able to appear. So I want to buy Ethereum with my USDT. All I have to do is to come down here. This is how you trade using the spot. So I'll come here, I'll click on trade, on buy. So once I click on buy, I will now be able to select the amount I want to buy. Right now, look at what you need to understand. This is the current price as it is in the market right now. So I have to buy. So I can now decide to put whether I want to buy 100% of it. You can select how many percent you want, either 25, 75, and all of that, on 100%. So I can decide to click on 100%. That means all the USDT that I have, I'll click on it. Then I'll now swap it from USDT to Ethereum. So all I have to do right now is to use the market price. I'll select it to use the market price. I'll select the market price if I want the money immediately. You can decide to put it on the limit. If you want to put it for a particular period of time, you can decide to do whatever you want depending on what you have in mind. So all I have to do is buy, since I have set everything. Once I click on the buy to process, and as you can see, it has started reading. So I'm trying to swap my coin, as you can see, from my I'm trying to swap it from Ethereum to USD. As you can see, it's already on, and I can decide to cancel this. I can decide to continue and all of that. So this is how you swap using the spot and all of that. So assuming you want to withdraw, sorry, I've cancelled this, I don't want to do that. So assume I want to withdraw or send to someone or receive from someone, all I have to do is to come to assets. I'll click on asset. Once I click on asset, it will bring out the option for me to either deposit or withdraw. So assuming I want to deposit, all I have to do is to click on deposit. Someone wants to send crypto to me, or I want to receive from someone, all I have to do is to click on deposit. Once I click on deposit, I will now decide to put in the crypto that I want. Let me say there is a USDT that I just bought. I want to receive USDT from another. I've selected USDT, so I will now come here and select the network that I want to, and we all know that TRC is always cheaper. The network fee is always cheaper. I can then decide to click on continue, and then once I click on continue, it will now bring out my wallet address for me. As you can see here, it has given me the warning. I'll click on OK, and then I can now decide to, you see here, you say, where do you want to deposit it? Is it from your, you want to put the money or receive the money from your funding wallet or your your trading wallet, whatever wallet you want to put it. Let me say that I want to put it in my funding wallet, and then I select the funding wallet, and then I come here, I'll select my wallet. I'll just copy the wallet address as you can see on the screen here. I'll just copy the wallet address here and then send to the individual, or you just click on this copy here, you send it to the individual, and then you get started. Then assuming I want to withdraw, let me say that I want to withdraw this fund, all I have to do is to click on withdraw. I'll click on withdraw. Let me say I want to send it from my WitEX.io to my Binance. Let me do that for instance and show you guys. Let me first of all go to my Binance and then copy my wallet address so that I can withdraw it, so that you all can be able to see it, that you can be able to do everything here on the WitEX.io. So guys, I've copied my wallet address of my USDT on my Binance. All I have to do right here is to click on, I'll put in the USDT I want to, I'll select USDT after I've copied my wallet address from my Binance. So I'll select USDT. I'll come here, you will see select the USDT wallet network. I'll still leave it at TR20, which is the best, which is the one I just selected from my Binance. Then I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, to bring me to this other page where I can decide to edit if I still want to do it. Then I have to paste in the wallet address here. Once I paste in the wallet address, I can give it a name. Let me give this wallet a name, KC. Let me give it a name, not KC. Then I come down here, I will now select on this icon here. I'll select on this icon here, I'll tick it. Then to confirm that I want to select, then I'll click on maximum because I want to withdraw all. Then as you can see, I want to send 35, but they are charging me 0.8. Normally Binance can charge one USDT, but these people are charging 0.8. As if you can remember, I said that they have the lowest trading fee, which is 0.006. so as you can see here, so once I click on continue, it will load up, and as you can see here on your screen, I have to put in my wallet address, my wallet password and code that will be sent to me, and then I will now say save as trusted. I will now click on this particular verification code here and then click on confirm. So I have to do that. So I will click on confirm. Once I click on confirm, as you can see, they say withdrawal request successfully. So I will just wait a little bit and receive it in my binance. So as you can see, guys, as you can see right now, I've just received my 34 USDT I just bought right now. As you can see, it's completed and I've done the transaction successfully. So apart from using the Binance, you can also use this with s.io and do whatever transaction that you want. So all you just need to do is to understand how the WitEX.io works, as I have explained. You can do the transactions on your own, know how every individual, how everything is being done. You can do your swapping, whatever thing you want to do. So if you're having difficulty on your Binance, this is an option for you to use, and all of that and get started. So if this video was helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification icon so that YouTube always notify you whenever I drop educative and informative content like this. If the video was helpful, do well to share, do well to subscribe, and all of that. See you on my next video. Peace.